Hello class, and welcome to the concluding lesson. We did it. We're almost through the whole semester. First of all, I want to congratulate you on your progress and for all your effort this semester. Hopefully you've had a successful experience and you have learned a lot. As an instructor, I want to say thank you because I learn tremendously as I go through the learning process with you. As we start into this final week of class, it's a little different. First of all, if you're planning on taking a class next semester, you need to make sure you register by Tuesday, the 13th. That's the cutoff line for your next class as far as registering. Also, going into this week, we're going to be talking about a lot about reflecting and about personal revelation. And hopefully through the course of this semester, you've had moments where you've been enlightened, that your learning has increased. And so appropriately, I put a picture of Joseph Smith here because I think he symbolizes what it means to reflect, ponder, and pray. And we know of his experience, and I think we can follow the same model in terms of gaining revelation, gaining inspiration. So as we jump into this week, it's going to be a little different because we won't have a discussion board. Also different because we're not going to have the regular assignments that you're normally having. It's also different because on Thursday, you'll go to your gathering, and by Thursday night at midnight, you need to conclude all of your assignments. What does that mean? It means you need to start Monday. You need to get going on your work. If you haven't already, you need to do your final evaluations and your final assessments. So let's go through a couple of those. You'll see here, it's recommended that for this week that you have a journal. You could use all of your experiences, your course reflections. You could use that as a journal when this is all said and done, because hopefully there's some good, valuable insights there. Second, during the lesson, you'll complete a final course reflection. This is going to take time. It is something that you will go through and identify what was most meaningful for you in each week of class. And then as far as your exams, you've got a final exam practice test. I'm going to give you a heads up right now. On that test, we have one question number 6 on that test. On the practice test is there's a glitch there. So disregard that. There's just a switch there. I'll try to correct it if I can, but there is a switch. Your vocabulary test, that's going to be a global exam, meaning it's going to cover everything. And you're not allowed to use your notes on that as you do that. As you can see, my son just came in. And then last of all, you're not going to have a learning report, but you are going to have a post-course survey. So make sure you go through all the assignments this week and take care of those. Again, I'd start early so that you get those things done. Last of all, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. And I'll be happy to help you in any way that I can. It's been a great semester, and I hope that you've felt the same. I hope that you've learned lots and that your English has improved. Maybe you don't notice it, but over the course of a semester, you really do grow a lot in your listening, speaking, and your comprehension. So also your academic skills, I'm confident that you've increased in those areas as well. So it's been a privilege being with you. Next semester, if you do go on to the next class, it's a math course, and you'll have a great instructor lined up for that. Thank you again, and Merry Christmas to you, and God bless.